If you're replacing a 3-wire power cord with a 4-wire one, confirm that the old cord is unplugged. Then remove the screw securing the terminal block access panel and pull the panel off. Remove the terminal block screws and detach the wires. Loosen the screws securing the strain relief and pull the old power cord out. Now remove the screws from the strain relief and pull the relief out of the rear panel. To install the 4-wire power cord, first remove the screw or screws securing the strain relief to the new cord and separate the two halves. Insert the tabs on the two halves of the strain relief into the power cord hole on the dryer's rear panel, and insert the screws to hold the relief together loosely. Now insert the power cord through the strain relief and position the wires near the terminal block. The wires have been color-coded to make installation easier. Remove the screw to release the existing grounding connection. Now align the red and black power cord wires with the outside terminals and secure them with the screws. Be aware that the old grounding connection is now neutral and should be secured with the cord's white neutral wire to the middle terminal. Position the green grounding wire on the rear panel and secure it with the screw. Now tighten the strain relief screws to secure the power cord. Reposition the terminal block access panel and secure it with the screw. You're now ready to plug the new power cord in and confirm that the dryer is functioning properly.